Hi friends. Uh, Today we are going to discuss on implementation of native methods. Say public native void loop stuff, and these declarations we often see in Java API, like wait, notify, and other methods which require native support. So, how to implement these native methods and execute in C++ environment. So, to execute this, what all the steps are there required for steps for uh, let's say JNI implementation. So you can find a lot of documentation on JNI on Oracle site, and here I'll be using simple things. There are a couple of data types because Java representation of variables is different from C++ environment, and those need to be converted, and there are a couple of method calls inside C already implemented. We need to call them. So we have good documentations on the Oracle side for the same. So let's discuss step number one. Right, Java code. First of all, we need to write the Java code where we will be declaring the native methods. Now, what should be the next step? So, next step or first step would be writing the C class. Sorry, C class, not C file, and but that I will take as a last step because we'll come to uh, compile Java code. Third step is generate header file. Okay. By the way, let's write the extensions as well. Dot class and dot h, and fourth one is after writing the generating the header file, then we will write the C file, because the generated header file will be containing the method signature or method prototype inside it. So based on that prototype only, we should write. So write C or C++ program, and finally, yes, this is very much important step. This is generate shared library file. So this would be of type DLL if you are executing in Windows, or would be of type .so in Unix or Linux environment, and this would be .c or .c++. Yeah, and what next? Finally, run Java code. This is basically optional. This could be the client code where we can call these native method, so this is not necessarily, but here we will be doing this. So in order to execute this, GCC compiler is required for this. So GCC compiler required to generate the shared library file. So this Linux already ships with this GCC file, so I prefer to use in this case Linux environment, though I prefer Windows environment for development, but in this particular scenario we'll have a Linux environment. So let's start. Oops. Yep. cd slash I have created one demo folder, and this is empty, so this is empty. So here I will create the files step by step, and we'll visualize as well what exactly it is. So we had a discussion like okay, we'll come to this. So let's edit Java file first step. So it should be native demo dot Java, and I need to provide the password for this. Okay, so public class native demo. Okay, and one static block I will write in order to load the file. So let's call this demo or something else. Let's call it demo. Different name. This is native demo, this is demo, this is library, and what next? Yeah, so I need to define public native wide display. Yeah, I have defined, and now I will write a main method. So ideally main method would be in the client code, but I'm just writing here only public static void main. Since I'm having main method here, so I can write this load library in the main also, but standard practice is writing in the static block, and that will be loading that library for once for the class. So in the static block only we are writing. If we have multiple libraries, then we can load over there once. So yeah, uh, string args and native demo new native demo, and let's call this d dot display. That's it. My Java code done, Java created. Now I don't need this. Next step is compile this file. So sudo java c native demo.java. Compiles fine. Now header file. So with this class file, java h, and this one. Now I would need to write sudo gedit C file. So what should I say? Hello, hello. Yeah, hello dot C, because library name we have given demo, so there is no naming confusion. So C. Okay. So now this header file which we have generated comes into the picture. So how it looks like, let's see. This JNI.h is there, and this JNI.h file is in my library. So this is Java native interface. So let's see. First of all, I would like to know where my library is. So where is my library? Java minus show settings colon pro. Okay, sorry, minus x flag. I forgot, and show settings properties minus version. Yeah, so this is my library path. So I will say ls user lib jvm java jre and lib amd. These are the library files, and you can easily see that .so extensions are there. So for Linux environment, we need .so extension files. Oh, oops! I just forgot to show that where this exactly this JNI file is there. So I need to know where is my Java. So for that command, where is Java? Where is Java? So this will give you the installation directory location. I already know that, so I will say us better I do this. Yeah. Oracle. This is my installation directory, and here you can see that include folder. So this here is jni.h. This jni.h need to be included here. So let's see this method prototype, or say in C version function prototype. This is to export, and this is the return type. This is this is showing that this need to export it, this need to be exported there, and this is return type. Normally in C++, this is not required. Only this some in C++ you have access modifiers, public protected kind. So in C this is not required, but this shows that okay, this need to be exported, and this is the method name, JNI call. Sorry, here this is the JNI call, and this is the method name, Java native demo, which is our class, and displays the method which is taking two in parameters, arguments. One is JNI environment and one is JObject, Java object, which Java object is passed. This is the environment. We'll see the environment usage later. So let's copy this because same structure should be here. Paste it. So nice. Yeah. Done. No, not yet. I need to include the headers files to execute the C code, which will be std io.h. Then I will need this jni.h, and then I will need this header file which we have generated, which is native demo.h. So yeah, right now we are not using any extra methods like function, mathematical function, or any other, so we don't require other imports, includes. So yeah. Okay, one thing I'm missing, I am not providing the variable names, which will cause me error at compilation time. Yeah, we are good. Then printf, what to print? Hello world in C, and that's it. Perfect. This is done. This is done, and 4 steps completed. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. What next? Step 5. Step 5 is to generate the shared library file. Very important. Sudo gcc minus shared minus minus f include dollar Java home. So actually I have already set my Java home, which is this variable till Java 8 Oracle. So I need not write this entire fully qualified path. So I've just written $Java home, and this include folder to include this JNI, and then minus include to Java home in see it actually took the fully qualified path name. then Linux. So let's see what we can see this Linux. So what is there in this? So this is JNI underscore md.h. So basically what happens, it automatically the environment, the operating system environment these are operating system environment dependent header files. So at the time of this JDK JRE installation, these files are created and stored. So when you will execute this in Windows environment, then uh, maybe system32 or win32 something uh, folder name will be required here. So here we are using Linux, so Linux, and the file name, what is our file? Hello .c, and yes, I would like to rename this, the output which file. So demo, yeah, demo, we provided demo.so, right? Created, perfect. Now the last step, execute Java native demo. And unsatisfied linker error. Okay, so this means this demo is not here. So that means this is my library. Here demo is not there. Let's reconfirm this. Yeah, reconfirm this, and we can see there is no demo. So one thing is, either copy this demo to this location, but I don't want to paste my libraries here. So I can create my own folder, library folder somewhere custom, and then give the path of that custom library. So for now, this is my custom library path. So I will do this current execution environment as my current library path. So what will I do? I'll pass -t option and java library dot path start. No, and it is giving me the problem that unsatisfied linker error, demo is not found, and demo is there, still it is not found. Okay, so let's have a look here. You can see all the library SO files are actually preceding with the keyword lib. So actually this when I'm providing this demo in this native demo.java class file, so it is actually appending the lib in this library file name, and then it is trying to search. So it is trying to search libdemo.so, not demo.so. So let's go to this step and make this as libdemo. Done. Yeah, libdemo created. Now execute. Yeah, executed. Hello world in C. So this demo.so is not required. So in order to avoid confusions, I am removing it from my working directory. Done. Okay, cool. So we are happy we have created one small program to interact with native environment. Let's do something more, and now again go back to sudo gedit native demo.java, and let's tweak with this. It is taking some message argument, and let's provide some message over here. So what message is this? This is hi. This message is from Java world. Cool. Done. Okay, there's anything else? No. Now again compile this. So sudo java c native demo.java, compilation done. After compilation, header file is header file generated, and now sudo gedit hello.c. Okay, let's see what changes this. Hello.h has got native demo.h has got all these things are there. This has been changed. See, signature is it is taking one string variable as an argument, and here it is added JString. So now we need to write the method accordingly. So I'll copy this, I'll paste it over here. Yeah. Yeah. So we can see the changes as well. So now, so what should we call this message? Let's say message, and okay, done. Now we need to provide this message printf message, and center is saved. Done. So now so far only this one is done. So this, let's make this clear, and let's close it. Let's do one thing. This window is not required, so let's do that. Okay, do gedit thing here, and so now again we need to compile that. So gcc, there is some problem. So it says this is incompatible type, and okay, this is warning. So I will not consider warning, so let it be. So what will I do? I'll now run again the code, and I can see this. See, this is the alien thing, right? So we'll do one thing. We'll cd slash opt slash demo. Yeah, good. So sudo gedit hello.c, and yeah, here I will need to change, and I'll change the message as well. Hello world in C. So hey, we got message from alien world, right? Because this is really alien thing. We can't understand at the rate w plus and some other symbol. So okay, so the thing is this need to be converted. So how can we convert? So this is our $1,000,000 question. So here comes into the picture this environment variable. So this whatever the J object is being passed, it is having this message, and this message can't be directly assigned to this my thing. So what I'll do is I will have to convert here. So for that I will have to take the environment variable, and I need to call you remember initially when I started talking I said in Oracle you'll find so many documentations on this native interface JNI calls. Some methods are implemented already, so we need to call that those methods in order to convert that, so that these could be type compatible. So for that conversion, one method is there, get string utf cha or squares. So get string utf chars. So basically this character representation here in string representation in C, C++ is a character array, whereas in Java that is entirely different. Some character sequences there, and a string is actually an object. It takes some parameters. Which parameters it would take? Obviously the environment variable, then the object which is message here, that string which is coming from alien world, and the index from parsing. Okay, then get this method, get the characters where to store. So this is of constant type, so char store. What should we call? Native message. Native message. Let's call this like native message, and let's make this native message. Saved. Done. Okay, so let's compile this. Compilation done, and run this. Hey, we got this message from alien world. Hi, this message is from Java world. Yes, the same message we sent. Hi, this message is from Java world. Hi, this message is from Java world. Cool. So now we are able to execute these things. Let's explore a little more. One or two things we would like to add with different data types. So sudo gedit native demo.java, and let's edit this file and add some more native methods. Display already is there. One integer type add method, one long type factorial method, and factorial method will take int type none. This will take int a and int b. Okay, done. And now we need to call these methods. So system.out.println what should I print? Sum of say 10 plus 20 equals, I'm hard coding right now, but we can give it, oops, so this should be plus, and t dot add, and this will take two parameters 10, 20. We are good. Okay, now factorial of 10 equals plus d dot factorial and 10. Cool. So we wrote the methods. Now we need to compile. So let's compile here. In Java C, no errors. Java H, header generated. Now I need to edit hello C. Hello C. Now since we have added a couple of methods, see this factorial method added, and then this add method added. This is taking to jint, and jint here, and jlong it is returning, and jint here it is returning. So now let's copy this. Okay, and now here we need to paste it. So this is done. This is taking two parameters. NV here also we'll call A and P for simplicity. And just one return statement A plus B, that's it. I guess nothing much required here. In factorial we need to do something, num n and env. So this one also done, and now now we need to write the body. So how do we calculate the factorial? So long fact equals 1, and I would require while loop. So I will say 90 I equals, or better simply write a for statement for int I equals n, I greater than 0, should not be 0, and I minus minus, and done, and fact star equals I, done. And finally one return statement, return fact, that's it. So save this implementation, done, this is done. Now what to do? Generate the shared library, create it, execute it. Yeah, that's good, cool. So I guess we are good with this, and now we can experiment more things on this. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.